If you need to transfer your GoDaddy domain to another registrar, one of the first things you'll need is your EPP Authorization code. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find it inside your GoDaddy account in just a few simple steps. This is a quick but important process because without that code, you won't be able to complete the domain transfer. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your official GoDaddy account using the account that owns the domain you want to transfer. Make sure you're signed into the correct account because the authorization code only appears for domains managed under that profile. Once you're inside your account, go to your GoDaddy domain portfolio page. This is where all of your registered domains are listed in one place, making it easy to manage them. On this page, look for the specific domain name you want to transfer. If you own multiple domains, take a moment to select the correct one so you don't open the wrong settings. After you've found the domain, click on it to open the domain details. Now, look for the Transfer menu dropdown. This menu contains the transfer-related options for that domain, including the steps needed to move it to another registrar. Click the dropdown, then select Transfer to another registrar. GoDaddy will now show you a transfer checklist. This checklist is there to help you confirm the domain is ready to be moved and to remind you of any important transfer requirements. Review the checklist carefully. You may need to confirm things like domain eligibility, transfer locks, or any account verification steps. Once you've reviewed everything, click Continue. After that, GoDaddy will reveal your EPP Authorization code, sometimes also called the transfer code or Auth code. Copy this code exactly as shown because even a small typo can cause the transfer to fail. You'll then use that code at your new registrar to start and complete the domain transfer. And that's it. That's how you find the EPP authorization code of a GoDaddy domain. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.